how to create UberEats account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for ubereats.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Uber Eats. Go ahead and tap on the sign up button on the top right of your screen beside the login button. You will then be asked to enter your mobile number or email. So go ahead and enter any of the following, whichever is appropriate for you, and further tap on the continue button. You will then be sent a code on the email or mobile number you just entered. So go ahead and enter the OTP sent to you and tap on the next button, and further follow the on-screen prompts to complete the signing up process. You can also sign up to Uber Eats using your Google account or your Apple ID, or simply log in using your QR code. So this is how you can create Uber Eats account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. See you on the next one.